What if the food you thought was healthy for your stomach could also surprise you with effects you never expected? Kimchi, the fiery Korean dish known for its crunch, spice, and sour flavor, is much more than a side dish. It is alive. Every spoonful is loaded with billions of tiny organisms created through fermentation, and when they enter your body, they immediately begin to interact with your digestive system. For some people, this is a blessing. For others, it can become a struggle. The shocking truth is that kimchi does not act the same way for everyone, and that is exactly what makes it so powerful and, at the same time, unpredictable. The first thing you need to understand is that kimchi is not just vegetables mixed with garlic, chili, and salt. It is a living food. During the fermentation process, beneficial bacteria, often called probiotics, are formed. These probiotics are like soldiers ready to enter your gut and fight harmful invaders. But unlike other foods, kimchi delivers these soldiers in massive numbers. Once you eat it, they pass through your stomach acid and travel into your intestines. This is where your digestion begins to feel the effect. Inside your gut lives a world of trillions of microorganisms. Some are helpful, some are harmful, and they all compete for survival. The balance of this hidden world decides whether your digestion is smooth or painful. Kimchi adds new bacteria to this system, and depending on the condition of your gut, this can either restore balance or cause temporary chaos. For people with strong digestion, these probiotics help produce enzymes that break food down faster. That means less bloating, fewer stomach cramps, and better absorption of nutrients from everything else you eat. But for people with weak or sensitive digestion, the sudden arrival of these probiotics can create discomfort. Gas, loose stools, or abdominal pain may occur as your gut adjusts. Another shocking effect happens because of kimchi's ingredients. Chili peppers and garlic are natural stimulants. They increase the production of stomach acid and digestive juices, which can make digestion quicker and more efficient. For some, this means meals no longer sit heavy in the stomach and energy levels rise. But for others, especially those with acid reflux, ulcers, or irritable bowel, the same ingredients can irritate the stomach lining. Instead of relief, they may feel burning sensations, heartburn, or sharp cramps. Then comes the question of salt. Kimchi relies heavily on salt for preservation during fermentation. This salt keeps harmful bacteria away while allowing the good bacteria to multiply. However, once it enters your body, too much sodium can place stress on your digestive organs and your blood pressure. Seniors, in particular, need to pay attention here, because a salty diet can worsen not only hypertension, but also kidney strain. So, while kimchi may be praised for its probiotics, it carries a risk for those who are salt-sensitive. So, what really happens when you eat kimchi? Your digestive system goes through a transformation. For many, it feels like a cleansing process where harmful bacteria are reduced, nutrients are absorbed better, and digestion flows more smoothly. For others, it feels like their stomach is under attack, with gas, burning, and bloating becoming more noticeable. The difference depends on the condition of your gut, your tolerance to spice, and your sensitivity to salt. The truth is clear. Kimchi is both powerful and unpredictable. It can heal and it can harm. That's why it is called a shocking effect on digestion. Kimchi's greatest strength lies in its probiotics, the living bacteria that continue their journey deep into your intestines. Once they reach your gut, they begin to settle and build colonies. This creates a stronger and more diverse microbiome, the hidden community of microbes that plays the biggest role in your digestion. A healthy microbiome works like a well-organized army. It protects your intestines from harmful bacteria, helps regulate bowel movements, and improves the way your body absorbs vitamins and minerals. This is why so many people report less constipation and lighter digestion after making kimchi a part of their diet. But here comes the shocking truth. If your gut microbiome is already weak or damaged, kimchi can overwhelm it. The sudden arrival of billions of new bacteria may cause your digestive system to resist. In this case, instead of feeling lighter, you may feel heavier, gassier, and even rushed to the bathroom. Another important role of kimchi is enzyme stimulation. When you eat kimchi, the probiotics encourage your body to release more enzymes that break down food. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are digested more efficiently, which means less undigested material sits in your intestines. This leads to reduced bloating and less discomfort after meals. But here's where the difference becomes clear. Faster digestion also means faster metabolism. Many people notice that eating kimchi regularly helps them lose weight or prevents weight gain. Their digestive system becomes more active, burning through calories at a quicker rate. But if your digestion is already sensitive, this extra stimulation can feel like overload. The ingredients of kimchi also play a surprising role in digestion. Garlic is a natural antimicrobial agent. It kills harmful bacteria in your gut, giving space for good bacteria to grow. Chili peppers stimulate blood flow and increase stomach activity, making digestion more powerful. Ginger, often included in kimchi recipes, can soothe the stomach and reduce nausea. All of this sounds beneficial, but together, these strong ingredients can also create irritation. For people with conditions like acid, reflux, gastritis, or irritable bowel syndrome, kimchi can become a trigger food. Instead of helping, it may worsen burning, cramping, or irregular bowel movements. The salt in kimchi is another factor you cannot ignore. While necessary for fermentation, excessive sodium intake can put stress on your body. High levels of salt can cause water retention, swelling, and even slow down kidney function. For seniors and people with high blood pressure, this is a serious concern. Eating kimchi daily in large amounts could silently raise sodium levels in the body, creating hidden risks. So, should you avoid kimchi completely? The answer is no. The key is to understand your own body. If your digestion is strong, kimchi can bring balance and energy. If your digestion is weak, you should not eliminate it entirely, but rather introduce it slowly and carefully. Begin with very small amounts, and notice how your body reacts. If the effects are positive, you can increase your portion gradually. If the effects are negative, it is better to reduce or stop. Kimchi is not simply a food. It is a test of your body's balance. It has the power to improve digestion, regulate bowel movements, and strengthen immunity. But it also has the potential to irritate, inflame, and disturb. The difference is in how you eat it and whether your body is prepared for it. Here is the part that will truly shock you. Kimchi doesn't just affect your stomach. It influences your entire digestive system in ways that connect to your overall health. Scientists often call the gut the second brain because what happens in your intestines affects everything from mood to immunity. When you eat kimchi, you are not only fueling digestion, but also reshaping how your body communicates with itself. This is why a small bowl of kimchi can have such powerful and sometimes unpredictable effects. Let's begin with the colon. When kimchi's probiotics survive the journey through your stomach and small intestine, they multiply in the colon. Here, they produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids feed the cells of your colon, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the protective lining of your intestines. This means kimchi can help heal digestive irritation, prevent leaky gut syndrome, and even lower your risk of colon cancer. That sounds like a miracle, doesn't it? But here comes the shocking twist. For some people, especially those with sensitive digestion, the sudden flood of probiotics and acids can backfire. Instead of soothing the gut, it may cause cramping, discomfort, or sudden urgency to use the bathroom. Kimchi also improves the intestinal barrier. This barrier is like a wall that separates the inside of your intestines from the rest of your bloodstream. When this wall is weak, toxins can slip through and enter your blood, causing fatigue, skin problems, and even autoimmune reactions. Probiotics in kimchi help repair and seal this barrier, creating a stronger defense. But again, the process can feel uncomfortable in the beginning. As your gut adjusts, you may feel more bloated, gassy, or unsettled before the balance improves. This is why many people report that eating kimchi feels worse at first, but better after a few weeks. Now, let's talk about the way kimchi affects stomach acid. Spices like chili and garlic trigger the stomach to release more acid. For someone with weak digestion, this can be a blessing. Food breaks down faster, nutrients are released, and meals feel lighter. But if you already suffer from acid reflux or gastritis, this extra acid can create burning sensations and worsen your condition. The same food that heals one person can harm another, and that is the double-edged nature of kimchi's shocking effect. Salt is another factor that cannot be ignored. While necessary for fermentation, kimchi's sodium content can silently build up in your body if eaten in large amounts. High sodium not only stresses your kidneys but also increases water retention, which can cause bloating and swelling. Seniors, who are already more vulnerable to high blood pressure and kidney strain, must be especially careful. Kimchi can still be enjoyed, but only in moderation and with plenty of water to balance the salt. Now, let's address the big question. Who should avoid kimchi completely? If you suffer from ulcers, severe acid reflux, or irritable bowel syndrome, kimchi may not be suitable for you. The strong spices and fermentation acids can irritate your stomach lining and worsen your symptoms. People with uncontrolled high blood pressure should also limit or avoid kimchi because of the salt. Pregnant women need to be cautious, as fermented foods may cause unnecessary stomach upset during pregnancy. But for those who can tolerate it, kimchi is more than just food. It's medicine. It supports digestion in multiple ways. First, it helps regulate bowel movements by adding fiber and probiotics. Constipation often improves because kimchi encourages smooth muscle contractions in the intestines. Second, it reduces harmful bacteria in the gut, creating space for beneficial bacteria to thrive. Third, it boosts enzyme production, which means your body digests meals more completely and absorbs more nutrition from what you eat. And finally, it supports your immune system, since most of your immunity is linked to gut health. By balancing your microbiome, kimchi indirectly strengthens your body's natural defenses. So how can you eat kimchi safely and enjoy its benefits without risking its harms? Well, the answer is portion control. If you are new to kimchi, do not start with a large bowl. Begin with just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. Allow your body to adjust slowly to the new bacteria. Also, drink enough water throughout the day to dilute the salt and reduce any chance of bloating. Pair kimchi with plain foods such as rice, porridge, or lightly cooked vegetables. This helps neutralize the spice and makes digestion smoother. Over time, you can increase the portion to 3 or 4 tablespoons daily if your body reacts positively. Another tip is to observe your body carefully. If you notice heartburn, cramps, or excessive gas, it means you need to reduce the amount. If you feel lighter, more energetic, and less bloated, it means your body is responding well. Your body is always speaking to you. And with a food as strong as kimchi, you must listen. What about the time of day? Eating kimchi with meals is the safest choice. Taking it on an empty stomach may irritate your digestive lining, especially if you are sensitive to spice. Combining it with lunch or dinner helps balance its strong effects. Also, avoid eating kimchi late at night because its spice and salt may disturb sleep for some people. Here is the shocking effect in simple words. Kimchi has the power to transform your digestion. It can help constipation, reduce bloating, speed up metabolism, and protect your gut from harmful bacteria. But at the same time, it can irritate a weak stomach, worsen reflux, and overload your body with salt. The difference is not in the kimchi itself, but in how you consume it and how prepared your body is to handle it. Imagine billions of probiotics entering your intestines, sweeping away toxins, and creating a cleaner, healthier digestive system. That is the healing side of kimchi. But also imagine those same probiotics arriving in a weak, sensitive gut and overwhelming it with gas, acid, and discomfort. That is the harmful side. This is why, moderation and self-awareness are key. So, what happens to your digestion when you eat kimchi? The answer is both powerful and shocking. It depends on your body's current condition. For many, it is a natural healer. For others, it can be a source of irritation. The key is to use it wisely. Start small, balance it with plain foods, stay hydrated, and always respect your limits. Kimchi is not just food. It is a tool. Used correctly, it can transform your digestion and improve your health. Used carelessly, it can disturb your balance and create discomfort. The choice lies in your hands. Now that you know the hidden truth, you can make better decisions for your health. If you want a stronger gut, smoother digestion, and better immunity, kimchi can be your ally. But always remember, too much of a good thing can become harmful. Listen to your body, respect its signals, and enjoy kimchi as a supportive, not dominant, part of your diet. If this video helped you understand the shocking effects of kimchi on digestion, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-saving health tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Because the right knowledge doesn't just improve digestion, it can change lives.